Fendi, I get plenty. Wake up right next to the semi. Low so loaded than the done. Rappers to the nine.
What's up, guys? Just drove to work in this blizzard. When I got to work, this tire was actually on 0 PSI, so it was leaking really bad from the bead. These are the new tires too. I just put two new tires in the back of this car, and when I got here, went to put some air in it, and it all started pissing out the bead. So got the back tires off. My man Charles over here is about to do a reseal on both tires. My man. Yo, you messing up the tire?
Oh, not yet. He will.
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that all of this is not supposed to be in the tire.
Perfect. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Also, you're supposed to mirror. I was boosting that. Just squatting in there. Yeah, I'm brooming up all that rubber from the inside sidewall, and it smells so bad. So it looks like this tire was being rode on borderline flat for a while. We're still just gonna clean the bead up, see if it feels good. That is a lot of rubber though. Alright, well, I'm balancing right now. The measurements actually didn't look that bad, so I'm gonna get the weights on and then we'll see how bad it is after that. Alright. Wow, no way. Look at this Jeep. Look at the Manjis. Oh, this guy's turning left. No. As soon as I stop recording. This is why you keep momentum. Alright, I got a little bit left to go before the curb, so I should be good to back up. What is even going on there? Damn, I've been ripping on this thing and I just realized. Well, at least I got 12 miles left. To be honest though, the tire is looking good. Hasn't gotten low, I'm almost home. So I guess that bead reseal worked. All right, so I made it home. Somehow all 3 cars fit right here because the Miata is really small. So I hope the plow can just get all this so I can get to work tomorrow. And then somehow I'm gonna have to try to get this out of here on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so hopefully get some warmer weather, probably not. Alrighty, it is now Thursday. So yesterday the Miata was still stuck in the driveway. So I actually did oil change on this thing because it needed the oil change. I was gonna do rear brakes on it too, but when I actually got the pads out, they actually looked like they had probably about like 5,000 more miles left on them. So I'm gonna wait to do those, but I still have the parts, so I'll just do it whenever I have the time. Today we're gonna be doing all the brakes on the Miata, so I'm gonna get all the parts in there somehow. And then it's pretty warm today, so it actually melted all the snow in front of it. There's still some snow on the driveway, but it should make it out with those new tires. Alrighty, so I got all the parts in the Miata. I'm actually gonna stop at AutoZone again and get parts for an oil change and maybe for a brake flush too. I don't know why I didn't get the oil change parts to begin with.
It's like the first thing you do when you get a new car. But I'm gonna run to AutoZone, get those parts, and then we're gonna head to Dan's house. All right, so I just got to Dan's. About to put the Miata on the lift, got all the parts out of the trunk. About to take them all out of the boxes and get them ready to go on. This thing actually doesn't look too bad in here. All right, so we got all the calipers and brackets for all 4 corners, and then we got the pads and rotors for the front because the pads and rotors on this front corner are just destroyed. So, all right, get everything out of the boxes and get it ready to go in. So I also got the oxygen sensor for the check engine light. I got brake fluid, and then I have the parts from AutoZone for the oil change. So this is the right side. So it's not even a lip, honestly. This side doesn't look too bad. Then you come around to the left. This actually isn't even a lip. This is like gouging from the pad. This rotor's cooked. And then the pads are cooked too. So here's the old caliper and bracket. Here's the new one. So this is what the pads look like. Oh, nice. Where's the pad?
It's funny because you got pads on the inside. Not so much on the outside.
This is what you could see when you looked at it from like up here. You could see that all this meat, and then on the inside it's just cooked. All right, so the left side's all good to go. Got the new rotor, new pads, new bracket. It's looking good. Alrighty, so all the brakes are done. Front's looking good. Didn't do new pads and rotors in the rear because the pads were fine and the rotors aren't bad. They're just a little rusty, but new calipers are on. Alright, I'm putting in the new O2 sensor. Then we're gonna do the oil change and then bleed the brakes. Alright, so we got the oil in. Brakes bled. Time for the first startup. Much runs exactly the same. Alright, so that's going to be about it for today's episode, but I just want to show you guys what's coming up for next episode. So I picked up a new wheel for the car, so hopefully, because this has the kind of like deep dish type style, hopefully my legs will have a little bit more clearance on each side of the wheel and from like the door, so hopefully it'll come out more so my legs will be kind of behind it. I also picked up a quick release, so I got this one. It's the NRG 2.0, and then I picked up the NRG short hub right here. So the wheel came with the little horn. Hopefully I can fix the horn. I think there might be a problem with the wiring on the steering wheel on that car, so gotta get that figured out. And then other than that, I just picked up a new bumper because this is just unacceptable. Look at this, look at this. So I got a new bumper. I also got the front lip with it, and I'm probably just gonna paint the front lip instead of leaving it that matte black plastic color because I'm gonna be just cleaning this car up and I want it to have that nice shiny black paint and not just like the matte black lip. I think it just makes it look cheap with the matte black, so I'm just probably gonna get that painted with the front bumper and then I'll get it put on. Other than that, I also am gonna get a new rear bumper because it's kind of like cut up right here and I gotta get this side marker replaced too, but this is all melted, so I would have to cut this, so I might just get a new bumper. I found a guy upstate that actually has like, he's had like 40 Miatas, so he just got a garage full of parts, so
I have to make another trip. He's who I got the front bumper from. And then other than that, I think I'm gonna be getting the Tyne, I think that's how you say, the Tyne or Teen Street Advance C coilovers. They're about like $600, and because I'm not trying to get like super expensive coilovers, but I'm also not trying to get some like cheap crap that's just gonna ride like garbage. So I'm probably gonna get those, so that'll be coming up in the next couple episodes. But for the next episode, we're just gonna be focusing on the steering wheel, and I think I'm gonna put a new shifter boot in there too, and maybe a couple other little things. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.